What if the confusion you feel right now, the loneliness, you cannot explain the battles you fight in silence, are not signs that something is wrong with you, but signs that God is doing something rare in you? Most people will never hear this truth. Some will reject it. Some will feel uncomfortable. But if you stay with me till the end, you may finally understand why your life feels different. Why you no longer fit where you once belonged, and why your spirit refuses to settle. This is the truth about the spirituality zone. A truth most people never reach. Today, spirituality is treated like a trend. Meditation, energy, vibes, motivation. But real spirituality is not comfortable. It is not popular. And it is never shallow. The true spirituality zone is a spiritual season, where God works on you quietly, deeply, and intensely. Most people never enter it because it requires separation, and separation always feels like loss. The spirituality zone is not a place. It is a season. A season where God begins to strip away distractions. A season where attachments weaken. A season where your spirit grows louder than your surroundings. Outwardly, life may feel empty, but inwardly, everything becomes intense. You question things you never questioned before. Small talk feels exhausting. Entertainment feels hollow. You begin craving truth, meaning, purpose. This is not depression. This is preparation. Because the spirituality zone starts with discomfort, God does not bring crowds here. He brings individuals. People leave the season when others stop understanding them. Family says, "You've changed." Life becomes quiet and slow, but silence is not abandonment. Silence is where God speaks. Scripture shows this pattern again and again. Moses was alone in the desert. David was alone with the sheep. Jesus was alone in the wilderness. Isolation always comes before impact. Let me be clear. If these signs feel familiar, this message is for you. Sign 1. You feel disconnected from the world. You scroll, you watch, you listen, but nothing satisfies you anymore. Sign 2. You crave depth, not noise. You don't want entertainment. You want understanding. Sign 3. Old emotional wounds resurface. Not to break you, but to finally heal what was buried. Sign 4, your spiritual awareness increases. Dreams feel vivid. Thoughts feel heavier. You sense that something unseen is happening. This is not random. And it is not coincidence. Here is the truth most people never hear. The spirituality zone is where spiritual pressure increases because spiritual purpose is forming. The enemy does not attack people who are comfortable. He attacks people who are becoming dangerous to darkness. If life feels heavy, it may be because your calling carries weight. You are not breaking. You are being built. Growth always hurts. God removes people who cannot walk into your next season. He allows confusion so you stop trusting your own understanding. He slows your life down so your spirit can finally catch up. This is not punishment. This is alignment. Do not rush this process. Do not escape it with distractions. Instead, pray even when it feels silent. Read the word slowly, not casually. Protect your peace aggressively. Walk away from negativity without explaining yourself. Silence is not emptiness. It is sacred space. If you do not quit, if you do not return to old patterns, something shifts. Confusion gives way to clarity. Anxiety is replaced with peace. Fear turns into quiet strength. You begin to see differently. Speak differently. Carry yourself differently. People feel it even if they cannot explain it. Because you stayed where most people ran. If this message stirred something inside you, you're not alone. God sees you. God is shaping you. God is closer than you think. The spirituality zone is not the end of your life. It is the beginning of alignment. Not everyone will understand your journey, but God understands it completely. Stay faithful. Stay humble. Stay connected. If this message spoke to your spirit, Like the video, subscribe for more truth-filled content and comment below. I am ready for God's purpose, because this journey is only for those willing to go deeper.